This is about obtuse angle triangle. Now we will draw acute angle triangle and their bisectors. How to draw acute angle triangle? First of all, mark a point here. With the help of protractor, mark another point and mark a point on 90 degree. So name them A, B, C. Okay. Now join AB, BC and AC. This is our right angle triangle. Okay. Now you have to draw its angle bisectors. What they told us to draw its angle bisectors. So how to draw it? First of all, bisect angle B. Take some distance in compass. Keep B as a center. Draw a radius B. Draw a radius B. Name it as MN. Now increase a distance in compass. Keep N as a center. Cut an arc. In the same way, with same distance, keep M as a center. Cut another arc. The point of intersection we get, name it as D. Now join point BD. Now this is about how to bisect angle B. Now next is we are going to bisect angle C. Take some distance in compass. Keep C as a center. Draw a radius. Keep C as a center. Draw a radius. Name it as PQ. Name it as PQ. Now increase a distance in compass. Keep P as a center. Cut an arc. With the same way, keep Q as a center. Cut another arc. The point of intersection we get, name it as E. Now join point EC. Join point EC. Now bisect angle A. Take some distance in compass. Draw a radius. Keeping A as a center. Name it as RS. Okay. Now increase a distance in compass. Keep R as a center. Draw an arc. In the same way, keep S as a center. Cut another arc. The point of intersection we get, we will name it as F. Now join point AF. Join point AF. Now in this figure, these three bisectors is passing through the same point. This point is nothing but the point of concurrence, and this point is line inside the triangle. I will name it as I. Okay. Now move on problem number 4. I will read problem number 4. Draw a right angle triangle. What they told us? They told us to draw a right angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisector of its sides. Another thing they given to us, they told us to draw the perpendicular bisector of its sides. Where does the point of concurrence lie? Now, you know that how to draw a right angle triangle. Mark a point with the help of protractor. Mark 3 points. One is at 90 degree, one is at 180 degree. Now name it as A, B, C. Join them. AB, join AB, join line BC, and join line AC. This is our right angle triangle. Now draw perpendicular bisectors. How you are going to draw it? How you are going to draw it? Take a distance more than half of BC. Keep B as a center.